Bow windows are one of the most striking architectural features a home can have. With their sweeping curves and ability to bring in abundant natural light, they instantly add beauty, space, and value. For homeowners in Redmond, however, maintaining bow windows can be a bit more challenging due to the area's changing climate. From wet winters to warm, dry summers, each season places unique demands on your windows. By following a few simple seasonal maintenance tips, you can extend the life of your bow windows and keep them performing beautifully all year long. Spring. Refresh after winter. After Redmond's cold, rainy season, spring is the perfect time to give your bow windows a fresh start. Deep cleaning. Wash the glass with a mild soap and water solution to remove winter grime. Don't forget the frames, trim, and sills. Inspect for leaks. Check seals and caulking for cracks caused by moisture and temperature shifts. Repair or reseal as needed. Clear tracks and hardware. If your bow window design includes operable sections, remove dirt and debris from tracks to ensure smooth opening and closing. This spring reset ensures your windows are ready for warmer weather and longer days of natural light. Summer. Protect against heat and sun. Summers in Redmond can bring warm, dry conditions and long stretches of sunlight. Check weather stripping. Make sure seals remain intact to keep hot air outside and cool air in. Replace worn sections to maintain energy efficiency. Inspect finishes. Sun exposure can fade paint or finishes on wood frames. Consider applying a UV protective sealant if needed. Use shades or treatments. To protect your interiors and glass from excessive solar gain, install blinds, curtains, or UV blocking window films. With the right summer care, your bow windows will help keep your home cool and energy costs manageable. Fall. Prepare for wet weather. As Redmond transitions into cooler, wetter months, fall maintenance is all about prevention. Seal and caulk checks. Look for gaps around frames and reseal them to prevent water intrusion during heavy rains. Trim landscaping. Ensure shrubs, trees, or vines are cut back to avoid moisture buildup and reduce the risk of scratches on the glass. Lubricate hardware. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to hinges, locks, or moving parts for smooth operation as temperatures drop. By preparing your bow windows in the fall, you'll protect them from the challenges of Redmond's rainy season. Winter. Guard against cold and moisture. Winter in Redmond means rain, occasional frost, and plenty of damp conditions. Check for condensation. Wipe away moisture on interior glass to prevent mold and mildew. Persistent condensation may signal seal failure, which requires professional attention. Monitor for drafts. Stand near your bow window on a windy day. If you feel air leaks, it's time to reseal or consider replacing weather stripping. Keep sills dry. Regularly dry window sills to prevent wood rot and maintain structural integrity. Staying proactive in winter ensures your bow windows remain a strong line of defense against cold, damp conditions. General year-round tips. Regular cleaning. Keep glass and frames free from dust and debris. Professional inspections. Schedule a yearly checkup to spot issues like seal failure or frame warping early. Prompt repairs. Address small problems quickly before they grow into costly replacements. Final thoughts for Redmond homeowners. Bow windows are a beautiful investment that can last for decades with proper care. By tailoring your maintenance to the seasons, cleaning and resealing in spring, protecting finishes in summer, preparing for rain in fall, and guarding against moisture in winter, you'll ensure your windows remain efficient, durable, and stunning year-round. With just a little seasonal attention, your bow windows will continue to flood your home with natural light and enhance your living space, no matter how Redmond's climate changes.